Refreshing summer drinks and coffee don't seem like a match made in heaven, but you know what, guys? Today I'm going to show you why it is. My name is Leandro di Manriva. This is the educated Barfly. Ugh, elephant in the room. Those are not peach slices. LOL. First cocktail up is a Margarita Negra. So first thing we're gonna do is get a couple of limes here. One ounce of lime juice. And then half an ounce of agave. I like to use the light variety. 1 ounce of tequila blanco. 1 ounce of Mr. Black. Some ice into our tin. Marry our cocktail in. Give it a nice hard shake. We're gonna take our glass and we're gonna add in our ice ball, like so. And we're just gonna give it a nice double strain on top, like so. Now for this, I like to give it a little extra zhuzh. So we're gonna just take a peel of lime, and then we're just gonna spritz the oil on top, put it on the rim of the glass, like so. I'm gonna discard that peel, and we're just gonna give it a little lime slices. Take a couple of toothpicks, and then we can just rest that on the rim of the glass. So there you have it, the Margarita Negra. All right, let's give this little bad boy the tasty poo, shall we? So what I think a lot of people have to understand is how well coffee goes with citrus flavors. And also agave is really nice with coffee too. And this drink, it's really nice and bright. You get the nice acidity of the lime. It's balanced out by a little bit of that agave, which you can feel. You would think that the coffee sort of gets rid of the agave, but it really doesn't. You can actually feel the agave nectar in there, balancing everything out. You get the coffee right up front, but you also have this back palate agave, and I'm talking about the spirit now. You get that tequila right on the back of your palate, which is really, really nice. It's a very nicely balanced cocktail. But the star of the show here is really that interplay between the lime and the coffee. It's fantastic. I gotta take another sip, it's so good. And that, my friends, is a summer crusher. So not only does this work with a margarita, you can also do it with a Paloma. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Cafecito Paloma. It's pretty simple. Just take a grapefruit and do 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of Mr. Black, 1 ounce of mezcal, and we're using this mezcal Vago that was given to us by our viewer Clint Smith. So thanks for helping the show, brother. And we'll do 1 ounce of Espadín mezcal. Add some ice into our tin. Add our cocktail. Give it a nice shake. Add some ice into our glass. Give it a nice strain. And when you're adding your soda, be sure to add it off the ice, like so that it mixes well. Okay, let's give it a taste. That is a thing of beauty and simplicity. It's all about the interplay between the mezcal, the grapefruit, and the coffee. It is incredibly coffee forward. What's really nice though, is that the only sugar that's being provided in this cocktail is from the Mr. Black itself, which is lightly sweetened, and the sweetness of the grapefruit juice though, so those natural sugars. A lot of people kind of tend to go away from bitter flavors or add sugar into things to sort of balance that bitterness out. But for some cocktails, for certain drinks, it's just super nice to have that little bitter finish. It's like, you know, you just get that nice kind of bitter espresso finish. And it just, with the interplay of the other ingredients, it's a really fantastic drink. I love it a lot. I'm gonna get another sip because I like it so much. Fantastic. This is crushable as another crushable drink. So there it is, guys, the Cafecito Paloma. So there you guys got it. We just hacked your Paloma and Margarita with coffee, and you know what? It was fantastic and incredible. And you know how I know that you guys know that? You guys know that because you guys made it at home. Some of you even made it at home while I was doing this video. Some of you like to mix it along with the video, which I think is pretty fantastic. That wraps up our show for today. And I also wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway with Mr. Black. So not only do you get a fantastic Mr. Black cocktail, but you can also enter for your chance to win this fantastic cocktail set. Just go into the show notes, click the link, and one of you lucky people will walk away with all of this fantastic stuff. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon and YouTube memberships. Check out our website, theeducatedbarfly.com, for articles, merch, and our virtual bottle program. And I'll see you guys at another time.